and welcome again in another video of structural analysis course. Today we will talk about the types of supports. Structure has to be stable and its forces has to be in equilibrium. In order to satisfy the stability, structure has to be supported to the ground or any rigid body. The points of supports through which the loads are transmitted are known as supports. And there are reactions. Types of reaction, their magnitude and direction depends on the type support as well as the loading conditions. In this figure we have a simply supported beam that have a hinge at its end, and the other end have a roller. At the hinge we have two supports or two reactions, and at roller we have one reaction, and we will discuss how to do that in the next slides. So there are four main types of supports. Each type provides certain restraints to the structure. Simply, when a support restricts the vertical movement, a vertical reaction has to be there. If it restricts the horizontal movement, a horizontal reaction has to be there. If rotation is restricted, a moment is created. Okay? So we begin with the first support, the free or the roller support. The structure is free to rotate about support and free to move or slide parallel to the surface of the support. So there are no reactions in this direction, as we have see in the photo, in the image. We have a roller support of a bridge, so the reaction is perpendicular to the plane of motion. So we have one reaction. It is only preventing to move in the perpendicular direction to the support. So there is only one reaction at the support, and it must be perpendicular to the plane of motion. Another examples of roller support. So we have one reaction perpendicular to the plane of the bridge. Second type of support is the hinged support. The hinged support is the structure is free to rotate about the support, but prevented to move or slide in any direction. So the support has only 1 degree of freedom. It is rotation. There are two reactions to be found. If we look at the hinge support, we have two reactions because it prevents the movement in the in plane motion or the perpendicular direction. So, and there is no moment reaction created at the hinge because it is allowing to rotate. Third support, the fixed support. At a fixed support, the structure is prevented to rotate or to move in any direction. So there is no degree of freedom. There are three reactions at the support, one in horizontal direction, one in vertical direction, and moment at the support. We have additional support, the link support. The link support, there is one reaction along the link. Okay, it is axial force only. Determination of reactions. If we want to determine of reactions, the external loads acting on a structure together with reactions at the supports must constitute a system of non-concurrent forces in equilibrium. That means that the resultant of all the forces is equal to 0. In order to fulfill this condition, the sum of all forces components must be 0 in each of the vertical and horizontal directions, and the sum of the moments of these forces about any point must be 0. So we have 3 equilibrium equations at any point of the structure. Some forces in x direction equal 0, some forces in y direction equal 0, and some moment at any point of the structure equal 0. Okay, in the next video we will show our examples. First examples to determine the reactions. Thank you.